Hello viewers, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Wakwale Joshua Koko and I'm a first year medicine student at Gulu University. So today we are going to look at a brief introduction to Microsoft Excel, and I urge you guys to stay tuned as we explore what this is all about. So now what we are going to do, let's begin our journey by maybe telling you just a little bit about Microsoft Excel. It's a very interesting Microsoft application that is widely used in many different aspects of life. Personally, where I've seen it being used most is by teachers in schools when they are running report cards and assessing students. It's used a lot in that context. And I've seen this also being used by accountants, making budgets and organizing those sheets of amounts of money everyone is going to be paid maybe in an organization. I've seen it being used so many times in that context, and I'm here to give you guys a brief review and introduction of Microsoft Excel. So to start with, I'm going to show you guys how to open Microsoft Excel, and I may use one or two methods. One, I want to show you guys using a shortcut on my keyboard, so I'll come and press maybe Windows R. After doing that, I'm going to type in this space that appears here, and I'll type there Excel. Then I'll come and say OK. Yeah, interestingly, my Excel has opened just like that. So Excel is just made up of such a kind of display. This is called a worksheet, this space here, and the entire thing is called a workbook. A workbook has different worksheets. So this is sheet 1, we have sheet 2, we have sheet 3 over there, as you can see them aligned neatly down here, and we could add as many as we can. And all these 4 sheets that now we have are what entails our workbook. And so in Microsoft Excel, we have what they call cells, and so this is a cell. That being a cell, it means basically an intersection between a row and a column. Interesting. I really love that. And maybe one thing I also need to tell you about is that we have what they call cell referencing. This is basically the naming of these cells. For example, if I want to refer to this cell right over here, I'll call it A4. I'll basically name it using the letter here and the number over there, so that's A4. Maybe this one will be B2. As simple as that. And these are names of the cells. You don't have to space with them. Let me move this a little. They usually appear in the name box, and the name box is right over here. So when I go to a given cell over there, it's going to appear there B2. When I move, you realize it also moves to D5. Interesting. And maybe one thing I also need to tell you guys about Excel is that this is a place for calculations. If you have figures, you want to manipulate them, you want to do calculations, additions, subtractions, averages, what? This is your place. Well, for today, it was basically a brief introduction. All the other things will come later on. And I urge you guys to subscribe to my channel. I urge you guys to like this video, because that will help me to keep up with you. And yeah, a lot awaits you ahead. Please stay tuned to my channel. God bless you and have a good day.